Hey guys! So today I'm really excited to show you a few tricks, our village tricks, about drying your clothes, keeping our vegetable and fruits really cool, and much more. There are tricks that my grandmother showed to my grandmother, my mother, and she showed me because we have a kind of farm, and that will make our life much easier, especially during summer. So let's get going and keep up with me, guys. So in order to save some time, I have prepared my laundry and a bit of herbs. So why not just dry them side by side? Now we have two jobs at once. By the way, it's always nice to do this whenever the weather is really good, because when it's rainy. And now I'm gonna show you what I mean by putting herbs and my clothes side by side. Okay, I have prepared these herbs. They smell really nice. I use some tea leaves as well, but I love lavender, so I usually do it like that next to my laundry, and I let them dry. By the way, guys, now all this laundry made me really thirsty, so I'm gonna grab a bottle, and because I want it really cool, because it's really hot, I'm gonna show you how I keep it cool. So that's the bottle I was talking to you about. I have wrapped it before my laundry because I knew I was going to get thirsty, in a wet cloth. Well, it's a wet towel I like to use because it's really hot and I don't mind getting it really dirty or wet or anything else. So we do that, and I'm gonna dry it a little bit later. Oh, that's really cool. So that's what I do to really keep my water cool and not hot during the hot weather. I'm gonna just wrap it again, and I'll leave my bottle somewhere here so that we don't have any sun at all. Up for later. So forget sprays and try to burn some dried orange peels, or you can use lemon peels. It doesn't matter really. You know, the smell is really nice. So you don't have to burn it for a long time, just so that you get the really nice smell. Okay, I think we got the first one. I wish you were here to sense that smell. Really nice. You can't really imagine that. Okay, I think we've got the orange peels, and now I'm gonna burn some rosemary. You know, we use that to just get the mosquitoes away. We don't need any sprays for it at all. Woo! I'm just gonna take a few and burn them like that. Can you see the fire? I mean, the smoke. And that works like a charm for mosquitoes. Oh, I think I burned them too much. Okay, I'm gonna pick a little bit more. Like I said again, you don't need much. Just a few leaves. I'm always picking more, but anyways,